What I like about this role is probably that previously I'd been working in out-of-home care, and this role was an opportunity to work with families in that early intervention space and really capture that support period. And really the aim is basically to prevent children entering out-of-home care. So it really was a no-brainer for me. I love working with kids and I love working with families, and I wouldn't want to do anything different. My name is Rachel and I'm a family preservation caseworker with Tamworth Family Support Service. My degree that I studied was a Bachelor of Psychology with honours, and I studied that from 2014 through to 2017 at Newcastle. Advice I'd give to someone thinking about a career in community services would be to give it a go. It's a challenging career. It's so rewarding though. The wins that we get make it all worth it. Make all of the really hard days worth it. Absolutely. So my current role is I'm a family preservation caseworker. What that entails is, so I work full-time. I work with families. We often get referrals from the Department of Communities and Justice, so child protection, from our local community services centre. We also do get some referrals from the community, and that might be health or schools or other services, I suppose, in the community. And we work with families holistically, so we work on anything when it comes to, it might be housing related concerns, we might work on mental health concerns, it might be that, parents just need a little bit of a hand sometimes to, gain some skills in parenting their kids or managing different things that might be going on in their lives. So we work really closely with our families to build the most appropriate case plan for them. And we work with them for 12 months, so we get to build a really good rapport with the families, and it's pretty cool. One thing that I probably learnt on the job that I didn't learn at university would have been probably the impact of being authentic with the people that we work with, and being upfront about what our role is, what our role isn't sometimes, and just being really clear and owning when we might make a mistake or need some more information from the families, because they are the experts in their own lives. So really making sure that we're asking questions and being curious with the families that we work with, and I think that authenticity really goes a long way. The transition from uni to work was a big change. I just finished my honours year, so my research project, and I was diving into full-time work pretty well straight away. So it was a big change in terms of the timetable and just making sure that I was up and at it. But it was a really good, positive change. I really enjoyed the challenge of something new to me, and it was learning from the people that I got the opportunity to learn from within my team and within the organisation made it all so much more appealing and so much more easier to make that transition. It felt like nothing after the first week. When I was applying for jobs when I was finishing uni, I was looking at organisations with fields that I was interested in, so I really wanted to work with kids. I had just started working in an NGO in Newcastle in out-of-home care with some kids, and then the move to Tamworth sort of popped up and this role became available, and it sounded really interesting, and I thought I'd give it a shot, and turns out it was a pretty good choice.